Hey everyone, welcome back to the English Duo podcast, your cozy place to practice real English conversations with us. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Daniel. Merry Christmas, everyone, or Happy Holidays if you don't celebrate Christmas. Either way, we're so glad you're here.
Yes, today we're talking about Christmas Day, one of the warmest, happiest, most emotional days of the year. And we'll help you learn how to talk about your Christmas Day in very simple English.
So grab a cup of hot chocolate, or tea, or coffee, whatever makes you feel warm inside.
And make sure to subscribe to our channel because we make new English conversations every week. Slow, simple, and friendly.
All right, are you ready? Let's begin.
So, as always, let's start with a quick introduction. I'm Sarah. I live in the US. I grew up in a very Christmas-loving family, like super Christmas. We decorate everything, even the dog.
That's true. I'm Daniel, also from the US, and my family is a little different. We celebrate Christmas, but in a very calm way. No giant decorations, no reindeer lights, just food, music, and family time.
Your family Christmas is so peaceful.
Yeah, and your family Christmas is a festival, a whole party.
Absolutely. And today we're going to tell you stories, talk about traditions, and teach you simple English you can use to describe your own Christmas day. Hey, Daniel, how do you feel today? You seem extra happy.
It's Christmas. I feel warm. I feel relaxed. I feel like a big, cozy cinnamon roll.
A cinnamon roll?
Yeah, soft, warm, sweet, a little sleepy.
Honestly, same. The cold weather outside, the warm lights inside, it just feels special.
It does. And the smell. I love the smell of Christmas. Cinnamon, cookies, pine trees.
Oh, yes. My house smells like cookies right now
Your house always smells like cookies?
because I always bake cookies. I feel happy today. Repeat after me. I feel happy today.
Daniel, I feel relaxed. Repeat, I feel relaxed.
Sarah, I feel warm and cozy. Repeat. I feel warm and cozy.
Daniel, it smells like Christmas. Repeat, it smells like Christmas.
Okay, so let's talk about Christmas Day. Daniel, what is the first thing you do on Christmas morning?
Oh, easy. I wake up slowly. I stay in bed for a minute. Then I stretch. Then I smile.
Why smile?
Because Christmas morning feels different. It's quiet, it's calm, and I feel grateful.
Aw, that's sweet.
What about you? I bet you wake up at 5 a.m. like a child.
Okay, I used to. When I was a kid, I woke up super early, but now I wake up around 8 a.m. I put on warm socks, I go to the kitchen, I make coffee, and then I look at the Christmas tree.
Your Christmas tree is always beautiful.
Thank you. I love decorating it.
I wake up. I get out of bed. I make coffee. I look at the tree.
I feel calm. I smile. I stretch. I relax on Christmas morning.
You know, speaking of Christmas morning, I remember when I was a kid, my dad always made pancakes.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, he woke up early and cooked pancakes with chocolate chips. The whole house smelled like happiness.
That's such a beautiful memory. My childhood Christmas morning was loud. Very loud.
Of course it was. Your family has like, what, 90 people?
Not 90, but many. Aunts, uncles, cousins, grandparents. The house was full. People talking, kids laughing, dogs running. It was chaos, but happy chaos.
You say chaos, but I bet it felt magical.
It really did.
So, what about now? What is your Christmas day like as an adult?
Oh, my Christmas is still fun, but calmer. I wake up, relax, drink coffee, listen to Christmas music, and then I open gifts with my family.
Nice. What kind of gifts?
Soft things. Blankets, pajamas, cozy stuff.
You love cozy things.
I do. What about you?
We open gifts very slowly, like one gift every 20 minutes. My mom says, enjoy the moment, don't rush.
Aw, that's actually beautiful.
I open gifts with my family. I give presents. I get presents.
I like cozy gifts. I enjoy slow mornings. I celebrate with my family. Okay, Daniel, now the important part. The food.
Ah, yes, the real reason we celebrate Christmas.
Oh, come on. But seriously, Christmas food is special.
For me, Christmas is not Christmas without mashed potatoes.
Your famous mashed potatoes?
Exactly. Soft, warm, a little buttery, a little creamy. Happiness in a bowl.
Okay, now I'm hungry. What about your favorite Christmas food?
Gingerbread cookies. They taste like childhood.
You really love cookies. I do. And I love cooking on Christmas. The kitchen feels alive, warm oven, music playing, family talking.
That sounds like a movie.
Teaching moment. Food vocabulary.
Cookies. Gingerbread. Mashed potatoes.
Christmas dinner.
It smells good. It tastes amazing.
I feel happy when I eat holiday food. You know, I think one of my favorite things about Christmas is how everything feels slower, softer, kinder. Even the air feels different, like the whole world is taking a deep breath.
Yes, exactly. It feels like the world says, hey, it's okay. You can relax today. It's like an emotional hug. Even the cold weather feels friendly.
A friendly cold, that's so true. Like, it's freezing, but you don't mind because you're holding a warm drink and you're with people you love and everything feels magical.
And the lights, don't forget the Christmas lights. They make every street look like a fairy tale.
Oh my gosh, yes. I love walking outside at night on Christmas Day. It's dark, it's quiet, and then you see all the houses glowing, warm windows, little sparkling lights on trees. It makes you feel like you're inside a Christmas movie.
Speaking of movies, what's your must-watch Christmas movie every year?
Easy. Home Alone. Because I truly believe, and I'm very serious, Christmas doesn't start until I hear that soundtrack.
That is the most real thing you've ever said. For me, it's The Grinch, the Jim Carrey one. He's so dramatic, and I relate to him a little too much.
You relate to the Grinch?
Only the part where he hates people before breakfast. After food, I'm nice.
That's fair. Okay, so let's talk about something important. Christmas morning food. What's the first thing you eat?
All right, don't judge me, but my family always makes cinnamon rolls. Like big, soft, warm cinnamon rolls with icing melting on top.
I'm not judging. I'm jealous.
We also drink hot chocolate, old school hot chocolate. Thick, sweet, too much sugar, perfect.
Oh, that sounds amazing. We usually make pancakes on Christmas morning. My dad used to make a little Christmas tree out of the pancakes. It was so cute.
A pancake Christmas tree? That's adorable.
I know, and he always burned the first pancake every year. It was like a tradition. He'd say, the first pancake is a sacrifice for good luck.
That's such dad energy.
Totally. What about Christmas music? What's your go-to?
All I Want for Christmas is You, obviously. It plays everywhere. You can't escape it, even if you try.
True. The moment December starts, that song wakes up like, it's my time!
She really owns December.
But Christmas isn't only fun. Sometimes it makes people emotional too, in a good way.
Yeah, I think Christmas reminds people of childhood, family, memories, even the people who aren't with us anymore.
Exactly. Like, I always think about my grandma on Christmas. She loved the holiday more than anyone. And every year I feel her, like she's still part of the day.
I know that feeling. My grandpa used to sit by the window on Christmas morning and drink coffee while watching the snow. Every time it snows on Christmas Day, I think of him.
It's kind of beautiful how holidays can hold memories like that.
Yeah, Christmas is not just about gifts. It's about people, moments, feelings. It's like the heart takes a picture.
That's so nicely said. Okay, but speaking of gifts, what's the best Christmas present you ever received?
Oh man, this is embarrassing.
Good. Tell me.
When I was 10, I wanted a bicycle, a blue one. I told my parents every day for like 8 months. Christmas morning came, and guess what I got?
A bicycle?
Nope. A book about bicycles.
No.
Yes, and I tried to smile and be thankful, but inside I was like, please, I am begging. Where is the real bike?
A book about bikes is crazy.
But then, after breakfast, they took me outside and the bike was waiting there. I cried, I'm not gonna lie.
That's actually so sweet.
What about you? Best Christmas gift ever?
A puppy. A tiny white fluffy puppy. I was 12. He became my best friend for years.
That is unbeatable. You win.
Yeah, he really changed my life.
See, that's Christmas. Little things, big feelings.
Absolutely. Okay, let's help our listeners a bit. Let's teach some simple phrases for talking about Christmas Day.
Good idea. All right, here are some easy sentences anyone can use. I spend Christmas Day with my family. We open presents in the morning. I love the Christmas lights. We eat a big Christmas dinner. Christmas makes me feel happy and warm.
And here are some very natural conversation questions. How do you celebrate Christmas? Do you open gifts in the morning or at night? What's your favorite Christmas food? Do you have any Christmas traditions? What's your favorite Christmas memory?
If you can use just one or two of these questions, you can start a great English conversation.
Yes, and the best part? Talking about Christmas is always easy. It's a warm, friendly topic. People love it.
Exactly. Okay, let's go deep for a second. What does Christmas mean to you?
To me, Christmas means slowing down. It means remembering the people you love. It means giving, not just gifts, but time, kindness, attention.
For me, Christmas is a pause. Life is so fast. Every day feels busy, But Christmas Day, it says, stop, breathe, look around. You're okay.
That's beautiful.
I mean it. Christmas makes life feel soft.
Smiles. If someone is listening right now, maybe they're alone or far from family or working on Christmas. I hope they know they're not forgotten. Someone cares. We care.
Yes. And if you're spending Christmas with us, listening to this podcast, we're honored. Truly.
All right, Daniel. Final question. What is one thing you want people to remember about Christmas?
Simple. Christmas is not about perfection. It's about connection.
Wow, that's really nice. For me, every small moment can make a beautiful holiday. A warm drink, a soft blanket, a quiet morning. That can be Christmas too.
Absolutely.
And if you enjoyed this conversation, don't forget to subscribe to the English Duo podcast, give the video a like, and tell us in the comments, how do you celebrate Christmas Day? We would love to read your stories.
Yes, share your traditions, your food, your favorite memories. We want our channel to feel like a big, warm, international family.
Happy Christmas, everyone.
Happy Christmas, and thank you for spending time with us.